This is a Farmall 404. Fairly rare tractor that was last production series. There weren't a lot of them built. It's got 2 sets of rear weights. Also has a set of hydraulics, mid-mount hydraulics, probably for use as a cultivator. This tractor came out of Central Illinois. It's been shedded. Very good appearance, good sheet metal. Starts and runs really good. Also has a set of mid hydraulics on the left-hand side also. The serial number makes this tractor a little bit unique because the serial number is an even 3000. It's 3000 JEE. This tractor also has a extra high-low shift. Only one I've ever seen with that. Farmall probably made a few more, but this is the only one I've ever seen with that. Also has hydraulic outlets on the rear. Tractor runs and drives good.